Hello and welcome. And this is another update, but this time it's an update about the KATSU router. Now I bought this little router, I think about 7 or 8 years ago, and it has been used extensively, and it cost me €30. Now I don't have any extra bases for it. This is just the just a fixed base, because what I bought it for is literally just doing roundovers and stuff, just whizzing it around to take the arrows off. And that's the only reason I bought it, for something quick, set it up, stick it in your palm, whiz, 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 and you're done. And it's brilliant for that. It's also good for doing hinges and that, hinge mortisers. Now, somebody said to me when I did a previous video of this, demonstrating it, now I bought this, okay, it was not given to me or anything, and someone said to me, I bought one of them and it didn't last 5 minutes. I'm sorry, but I've had this 8 years. You can see I use it. This gets used quite regular. Now, is it refined? No. Is it a soft start? No. If you want a cheap router, a soft start, Genmitsu do one, which is very good. I've actually got that over there, and that was given to me. But this one I bought, but it's Makita compatible. So if you've got any Makita bases, let's say for instance your Makita little router's buggered up, this might be worthwhile just buying that, just so you can carry on using all the bases that you got. And it is a great little tool. It is noisy though. It's not soft start and it has no braking. Alright, it's really bog standard basic thing, but it just works. And considering it cost me €30 when I bought, I think they're a bit more expensive, I think they're 50 now. I'm actually really surprised with it. Like usual, the cables are never long enough, but you can change that quite easily. The actual, I feel that the aluminium casting here is a little on the soft side, but that doesn't matter. If anything, it grips better because it's soft. You've got the usual, you can wind it up and down on the base to set your depth of cut. You can change your base over. You can put this on a little router table if you like. It's 650 odd watt. It's just a good little router. I think it's 650 or is it 600? Why did they put the right on so tiny? Oh my giddy aunt. I can barely see it. I think it's about 600. It's about 600 watt. No, 710 watt. I do apologise. It's more powerful than I thought. Yeah, so it's a great little router. Definitely worth the money. It's very, very simple. You've got a spindle lock as well if you want to use it, but also you've got the flats on the shaft if your spindle lock breaks, so you can actually change the bit nice and easily. It comes with the usual fences and stuff, but it's just a very basic, simple tool. It just does the job. Do you always need all the bells and whistles? Because I would say you don't. It does the job. 710 watt, plenty of power. Toodaloo, don't forget to boot the old like button. Just thought I'd give you a little update while I was sitting there on my backside.